Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of dairy products. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. In British accent, we may pronounce it as yogurt, yogurt, gut, yogurt. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as yogurt, yogurt, goat, yogurt. It refers to a creamy dairy product made by fermenting milk with live bacterial cultures, enjoyed worldwide as a snack or in recipes. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.